Well, today's project is light work. As you can see, when I installed this stuff here, wood, it was a little bit too thick for the outlet. So the situation I'm in is I can't plug anything in there properly. And the other situation is that it's actually a code violation. I prefer not to do that. As you can tell, I shut off the lights. And now, what I'm going to do is try to put in one of these, one or more of these boxes. Because that's the kind of guy I am. Here these things are. They're basically these little plastic extensions that make that box stick out a little bit. And I made one of these once. I used my chop saw to chop off one of these blue boxes because I didn't know these existed. This is a remote control for this light, which is going to control this hanging light here. I'm going to try to use it. Yeah, it works. Look. On-off switch. I declare bueno. That's what we're after. All right, mission accomplished.